Hello everyone. So the module called Merge Sales Order Attachment helps user to simply add multiple attachment and create a single PDF. Let's check how that works. First we go into sales, into that configuration settings. Here you can see the field Merge Sales Order Attachment. Into this you can simply add in which PDF you want to merge the attachments. So here I've taken quotation and preform invoice. Let's save this out and go to sales order. Here into the sales order, as you can see, this is a delivery and this is the invoice. So if user want to give the delivery PDF, invoice PDF, also sales order PDF, so they can simply use this module to attach all together and create a single PDF. As you can see here in the attachment, I have three files which are attached. Here there is a field called merge attachment to reports. User can simply see all the reports which are attached in this particular sales order in the drop down. Here you can simply select what are the files you want to attach. I am selecting the delivery slip and invoices. Also, if the format of file is not in PDF, it will generate an user error. That is, please select only PDF files. As this module only select and merge PDF files in a single PDF. Here I have selected these two. Let's save this out. Let's try to print this. As you can see, it generated a PDF in which sales order is there, invoice is there, and delivery order is there. This is how this module is helping to attach multiple files and create a single PDF format. If you have any query, please write your query in a comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.